What's going on, y'all? It's y'all boy Lucky Donnie, and I'm back with another video. Tell me why all the craziest things happen when I'm not recording. I'm coming back from the car wash. A Demon Challenger pull up next to me. I'm like, no fucking way. This was the first time I ever seen a Demon in person. If y'all don't know, I live in Detroit, Michigan, and that car is rare to see here. It was an old head driving it, and this would make it crazy. Old head, you know, when you see an old head, you know they cruising. He was doing it, and he raced me and made it look like I was walking, like I would have walked faster than my car could go. He left my ass. But that's not what we gonna get into. Today is actually supposed to be the biggest meet of Michigan going on. If y'all don't know, Modded Detroit, they host some of the biggest meets in Michigan, and I'm already an hour late. Right now I'm actually waiting on, oh, there she go right there, speak of the devil. But that's crazy. I never thought I'd see a Demon, let alone race one. Shout out to that old head. He said my car looked nice too, y'all, so that's how you know Stang's winning. Even though he did me so dirty, walked me, got me, whatever, put buses on me, he still said my car looked nice. So that's a win in my book. Let me know what y'all think. Does this car look nice? You can't hate on this. There's no way you can hate on this. Y'all, this place is 54 minutes and we already an hour late. Y'all, we made it, and this line is ridiculous. But it's a line behind us, and it's a long line in front of us. And I thought I was pretty late. But the line, ooh. Slow it down, buddy. I don't know how long it's gonna take us to get to the front. Oh, that's a big ass fucking bird. You see that bird right there? Hey, I don't know how long it's gonna take us to get to the front, but I'll update y'all when we get there. It's a pretty long line, so hopefully we ain't missed none. They supposed to have a foot race. I'm gonna show y'all how I get down when I strap these Supercharger shoes on. All right, y'all, we actually made it here. Y'all, this whole time I was pulling in, everybody was on my bad side talking about, oh, this is not my bad side. Let me see. This is my bad side right here. I'm talking about, oh man, look at them carbon fiber fenders. The whole time it's a big ass crack right here. That sucks. But damn, they still look good though, man. I was like, man, I gotta get those on my car. Like, this is my good side, y'all. Take a picture on this side. What's the deal? Nice thing, man.
Appreciate it.
Man. What you got done to it? Couple things. I know you got some. Done
Just a
to
little
it.
bit, man. I'll pop the hood for you real quick. See the sticky Mickeys?
Yeah.
Sticky icky?
You ready?
Nah. I do this shit for fun.
Oh shit!
I do this shit for fun, man. I ain't out here racing nobody.
You gonna say something, a little thing. I ain't got a big ass three-point leader.
Yeah.
Shit. This next, either this or ESS Circle Fisher Supercharger. I don't know which one on. What do you think?
I don't know, man. The Sentries, I will say, they easy to work on. I don't know, man. I mean, the Whipple, I don't know. The Sentries, I think, got more usable power. Goddamn bikes.
Yeah.
Well, first off, it's a performance pack?
No.
So you got 355s?
Yeah.
You might be okay. This is a performance pack. 373s Whipple, like first through third is not usable at all. At all. It's 6, and then the fact that it's a 6-speed, it makes it all you know, it's worse. But if you 10-speed, I think you can't go wrong with either one. I know the ESS is a little bit cheaper. They're not as proven as Whipple, but I mean, you've been seeing them run crazy shit all the time.
All right, man. I think this thing, yeah, you really surprised. Talking about it ain't got much. All right, bro.
They got Whipple, long tube, Sports Extreme, oil pump gears, twin discs. That's pretty much it.
Sheesh.
That's pretty much it. Ain't nothing,
Would
ain't
you?
nothing else done to it.
Okay.
It's still on stock fuel pump too. I mean,
damn.
stock fuel.
Oh, damn.
All I got is a battery.
So would you recommend doing all this to your car, or just getting a GT500? That's where I'm at right now. Like, should I just upgrade the whole car, or should I go all in?
The upfront cost of a GT500, I don't know, bro. I'm into this shit for like. So I could do this twice probably, maybe 2.5 times for how much a GT500 costs.
I feel it.
And I did it all myself, so that cut down on a lot of the costs.
Okay. I'm gonna have to get in contact with you. I have to get in contact with dog. I'm on a budget bill.
Hey, I feel it. I was too. I found a kit from a dude local. He had to sell it, so I got it for a good low price. Other than that, man, most of the shit just been. I just found it on deals.
Got the fat ass. Alright, man. I appreciate you talking.
For sure. You make it.
Y'all put in the comments, should I supercharge my car like Buddy did, or should I just get a GT500? I'm torn. I don't know what to do. It's a big ass event. I don't know where to go. Let me go right here. We just gonna walk around where the people at. Check this 370Z out. I don't really see these. Person, he's clean. He's straight. Let me see if y'all can see him. In person, they look straight. And I'm not really a 370Z fan. So if I say a 370Z is straight, this is straight. I like how it looks. Definitely clear. Nah, this is sick. This is probably the only Dodge I will buy. Fuck the Hellcat, fuck all this. I will buy this. A Dodge Viper. Check this wing out, I should have put that on my Mustang. Got some 500 action going on. That's a Viper without the big wing. Looks like a girl. Oh, huh? two. What? Wait. This is a 350. 350s are cool too. If I could find a GT 350 that ain't been modded already, that would be my first manual car I'll actually drive.
Is that up or down from your car?
That's up. I go with McLaren.
This one look ugly.
This McLaren look ugly? This one?
The back lights.
Let me show y'all what she said look ugly.
The lights.
These right here?
The lights are ugly.
I like it.
You don't touch nobody.
Look at the green one.
I wonder what it feels like to drive in one of these.
Look at the seats. Why are they so skinny?
What the hell am I looking at? What is this? I thought it was probably a Z06. I don't know what this is. What is this? I don't know. First car I wanted. That's cool. it's pretty lit here. I ain't gonna lie. Biggest car meet in Michigan? I think so. I think it is. Shit, what up, man?
You remember me, bro?
Hell yeah, with the GA, right?
Yeah, bro, you good?
What's up, man?
Shit, chilling.
You got your GA alreght? I just got here.
No, I got my 01 out.
Oh yeah, let's see that.
Right here.
You got a charity thing.
Somebody left something on there?
Yeah.
Oh, you ain't say it was red.
I love red. Yeah. I was looking at this one while I passed.
Someone left it on there.
Oh, shit.
okay.
That's what's up.
What they say? What they say?
That's what's up. They should let some
Let
money on that.
everyone know, nigga.
Bro, I just said to come up to this meet.
Okay.
Hey, we'll see you boys over there, all right?
They do not want you at this meet. Hey, bro, I prefer the G8, man. I ain't gonna hold
You
it.
prefer the G8?
I prefer the G8, man, because I don't like Camaros like that.
For real?
You know how it be.
Damn.
You know how it go.
Yeah, bro.
All right, then I'll see y'all there too.
You know how it ride.
If you wanted to look.
I thought these came manual.
They do some of them.
Some of
Not
them?
stock, though.
I thought all of them just came in.
I mean, not for just
God damn!
It is small.
Hey!
What happened? What happened?
I thought it was a joke when they say you can't see in this motherfucker. Hey, bro. Let me see.
I'm surprised, especially with your tech. Can you see niggas?
Fuck no, I can't see shit, boy. Oh, hell no. That got me in a big ass snapback.
I know you know it is too.
It's clean though. It's clean though.
I don't know too much about this. Oh, what's your
I
percentage?
ain't gonna cat, huh?
No, it's small.
I know about the GAs, I know about Mustang, but
on the side.
Camaro, he got me lost.
Okay.
I know they come with the Supercharger.
He got 25 on his
know
vehicle
that.
and shit. That's a 25 on his shit.
You got anything done to it yet?
No, besides that.
Yeah, I see that. Shit, can you start it up? Let's hear it. Let's hear it, dog. It's definitely not.
Yeah, it ain't nowhere near as loud, bro.
Yeah, your GA was all like, God
But
damn.
he got the Supercharger though. That's about it, bro.
Yeah. How much is it? Fuck, I gotta get me one. I gotta get me a Supercharger. Carbon hood, that bitch
I was
go
looking
hard.
at it, bro.
That
I ain't
bitch
gonna
go
lie.
hard.
I was looking.
Or at least this carbon, I feel like.
Bro, just this piece alone, 700.
Damn, bro, you have
I
a
put
good
a ramp on that.
right, you have a good one, man.
You too, man.
That's what's up. Hey, little buddy.
Yeah, just a normal scat pack, man, with accents.
Yeah, I like. That's what I was saying. I like the blue hitting. Oh no, you didn't. You got the little badge thing.
Yes,
That's what's up.
Look, get your ass over here.
Wow, dog. Look like all the Mustangs leaving.
All them bikes left too. Most of them.
Damn. It is what it be. But I didn't have to pay, so everything was free. What, hopping on my free side?
I don't know how to ride.
Hey man, make sure y'all liking the video. And if you really feeling like you like this video, make sure y'all share it. Share it with your auntie. Your auntie who like cars. You see those fenders? Those fenders pretty cool, huh? The guy in the red, look, keep pointing right. Where fucking car is this? It sucks. You got big ass frame gap. Your car at 4x4 is no bigger than his shit. Fuck, look at this. Look, your car dusty as shit. And it's slow. And y'all can't see it, but she wrote slow. Fuck you. Bop. Alright, now let me get in my car. Had to open the door so people didn't think I was crazy. Piece of shit. Look, and you got a fat ass fucking crack right there. 1,500 for what? Oh, I know that ain't fine, crap. Oh, you a piece of shit. Ugly as fuck. Anyways, y'all, we at Whipple right now. the meat got kind of boring quick. So good thing I ain't pay my $10. But we at Whipple right now, and off rip, I see a fucking Demon 170. I'm gonna show y'all in a bit. It's actually one of my followers' Demon 170, but this is my first time seeing it in person. So I guess Whipple is just like the usual car meetup spot. I wish I knew about this when I lived over here. I would have been up here every day in my V6. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. Y'all see that? Oh, what up, man? Straight?
Yeah, how about you?
I'm good. He got it up today, huh? I thought it was a myth. You don't see that anywhere. Huh? Say SRT, LOL. But if y'all liking the video, make sure y'all drop a thumbs up and start my car. Start it. It kind of embarrassed me, I ain't gonna lie. But make sure y'all drop a like, make sure y'all subscribe, thumbs up, turn on the post notifications, and I'm gonna get up with y'all boys. Gotta get the fuck out of here. See y'all.